Sir, now I can say proudly that I am popular. Otherwise, people was not taking me seriously.
Yeah, you're popular because of me.
Yes, sir. And I am feeling proud on myself. Sir, you met Raveena?
Hi.
She's a beautiful actress.
Wow.
And she specially came to meet you. I mean,
Can
I have
can
specially come here to welcome you.
Can I go there have a hug?
Yes, sir.
sir, originally you are very romantic.
Yeah. Dad, I want to do a romantic movie. I trying to do because I'm tired about action. Now action, he do it.
No. Sir, actually,
I do it romantic.
But sir, nobody can do action like you, and actually it's a fact.
जैकी जी के लिए थोड़े कुछ लफ्ज लिखे हैं.
Okay.
वो मैं बताना चाहूंगी, आप बाद में ट्रांसलेट कर लेना.
जी जी, मैं ट्रांसलेट करूँ. So she has written something good lines
Okay.
for you.
जमाने के सामने अपनी बुलंद आवाज रखते हैं.
वाह.
जमाने के सामने अपनी बुलंद आवाज रखते हैं. आप कंगफू कराटे का नायाब अंदाज रखते हैं.
वाह.
I'll translate for you.
सर,
Okay.
सर जैकी, स्वागत है आपका आज हमारी इस महफिल में.
वाह.
हम आपके शीश पर विजय श्री का ताज रखते हैं.
Wow.
Wow.
Basically, they are welcoming the king of martial art, the king of kung fu yoga, and they are honored to be a part
Thank
of.
you.
It's fabulous.
Sir, please take your seat. सोनू पाजी, थैंक यू सो मच.
Bye. Thank you.
आज ये एक्चुअली मैं कह रहा हूँ सोनू पाजी की वजह से ये पॉसिबल हुआ है. ये जैकी सर को हमारे शो पे लेके आए हैं. इन्होंने साबित कर दिया कि हिंदी चीनी भाई भाई, पंजाबी बिजनेसमैन. पाजी 3,000 आपको आ गया था, 7 आपका बाकी, 10,000 में डील हुई थी. थैंक यू सो मच.
भाई थैंक यू. और लेकिन नोट सारे पुराने दिए हैं इसलिए.
मेरे पास जो थे मैंने दे दिए. सर, आई एम योर बिग फैन. आई मीन it must be a common line for you. I've been watching your films since my childhood. I'm not telling you age actually.
I know. I believe everybody watched my film growing up.
I mean, I'm talking about your.
But we look same age.
Sir, he looks younger. You are great.
Sir,
Yes.
actually, I have prepared some lines in English. Okay. Sir, welcome to India and welcome to the Kapil Sharma Show. I'm so excited that I forget what I wanted to ask you. I mean, what can I ask you?
No, Kapil Paji, before we actually show shuru hone se pehle, I must tell you, Kapil has got the best English in the country. So that everyone would agree. So you'll understand his English.
You know, sir, British people ruled
Yes.
us on more than 200 years. So I have some anger. I'm intentionally not learning English.
Okay.
I mean, but, sir, I'm also producing a movie which is Firangi. It's gonna be a huge hit.
Cut, ये काट देना है वाला portion.
अच्छा कैसी बात है, इतने बड़े इंटरनेशनल स्टार जैकी चैन साथ में बैठे हैं और मैं अपनी फिल्म की प्रमोशन कर रहा हूँ. Yes, I am selfish. Do whatever you want to do. जैकी सर, whole world knows about your films. रवीना, किसी को बाहर जाके बताना नहीं मैंने कितने एरर किए हैं, ठीक है?
नहीं, कुछ नहीं कहूंगी मैं. कुछ नहीं कहूंगी.
एक दूसरे की इज्जत रखनी है, हैं?
सोचेंगे, मेरी तो इज्जत है ही, तुम्हारी पता नहीं.
Sir, your all movies are superbly entertaining.
Thank you.
So, tell us something about Kung Fu Yoga.
Yoga is traditional India. Kung Fu is traditional for Chinese. So combined is a friendship, is everything, you know. Then one day I just make fun. Oh, why don't we do a Kung Fu yoga?
Oh.
Oh, what a good thought. Lovely.
Actually, कलाकार जो होते हैं, बॉलीवुड है हमारा, ये एक ऐसा माध्यम है, इसकी सरहदें कोई नहीं होती. कोई भी कलाकार जो है वो सरहद में बंधा हुआ नहीं होता. और ये बड़ा खूबसूरत प्रयास है सर. Whatever you are doing, it's great for both countries. और ये प्यार बढ़ाने का एक कलाकारों की तरफ से एक पहला एफर्ट है. और आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक. एक guy, Mr. Navjot Singh Sidhu, he's a very famous politician in India. he missed something today. And he didn't even know what he is missed today.
What?
First, he missed his flight. And second, he missed a chance to meet Mr. Jackie Chan, sir.
Wow.
आई थिंक ये मेरे लिए बहुत अच्छा हो गया ना.
मतलब अभी आप सिद्धू बाजी को आने नहीं देंगी?
वो आपके ऊपर है. अभी देखो, सोचो, सिद्धू जी कहीं दिल्ली में किसी और कुर्सी के लिए इधर उधर भाग रहे हैं. सबसे बेस्ट कुर्सी तो यहाँ है.
क्या बात है, ये तो है. अच्छा, इंडिया में रह के सलमान भाई, शाहरुख भाई से, इन लोगों से मिलना इतना मुश्किल है. आपने सीधा जैकी चैन को मिल लिया पाजी. सीरियसली बताना, कैसे मिले आप? आपको कितने पैसे दिए आपने इस फिल्म में काम करने के लिए?
अभी तक दे रहा हूँ. जैसे आप 7,000 दोगे वो भी किस्त भरनी है मेरे को अभी.
नहीं, आपने इनको बता दिया था कि मैं कपिल शर्मा का दोस्त हूँ?
नहीं, मैंने उनको बताया, ये विश्वास ही नहीं किए. He didn't believe that I know you. He said, no, Kapil Sharma, how can you know? He's a big star.
ओके, हमारी डील हुई है कि एक दूसरे की तारीफ करनी है.
When I was telling him कि Kapil Sharma, he said, no, वो फिरंगी वाला एक्टर ना, I know.
Yes, man.
पर भाजी, to your answer कि आपने पूछा कि how I got to meet Jackie sir. तो 31 जनवरी को 2009 में मैंने एक इंटरव्यू दिया था. तो मैं थोड़ा सा sword fighting सीख रहा था. तो उन्होंने पूछा कि आप why are you learning this sword fighting? So I said, who knows, one day Jackie Chan might cast me in his movie. तो
I saw the paper. Yes.
So how did you think about Sonu, sir? Even I am very fit.
If I know you, I won't hire him.
wow.
Are you happy?
I'm confused. Sir, actually, you know, after your line, I'm gonna increase my payment. You made me more popular.
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming once again. Sir, have you ever watched our South Indian movies? Like, I mean, I am impressed, sir. हमारा बॉलीवुड में मुक्का आता है 45 सेकंड में. ऐसे लगता है. I mean, in Bollywood movies, punch is coming like this in high speed and hit him, and Gal is ऐसे doing and sweating out, and one single drop is watching. I mean, you can watch a single drop. And in your movies, 2 सेकंड में 40 मुक्कर 15 लाते मार के भाग जाते हैं. I mean, you in 2 seconds you hit 30 punches and 2 legs complementary. Tish, tish. And you are gone. I mean, I don't know where is Jackie Chan. I mean, you are so fast, sir. Sir, try to watch sometimes South Indian movies. A hero, I mean, actor. गोली चलाने की कहते हैं English.
Fires a bullet.
He fires a bullet. Bullet is coming out from
Traveling.
pistol.
Yes.
And you can watch the bullet. After the trigger, I mean, bullet is out. After that, he will... I mean, after that, he will take his gun back and come. He will bring a knife from his another pant.
Bullet is still traveling.
Bullet is still traveling.
Okay.
And with the knife, he will throw a knife on bullet. Bullet cut into 4 pieces. Bullet cut into 4 pieces and 16 people dead. I don't know why. How?
So Kapil, you want to give him an idea that in next film he should try this action?
I think you can cut that bullet into 8 pieces.
Whatever your time, you can come to China or Hong Kong to train with me.
Sir, I don't want to die.
You don't die. You're dead.
You're doing-
Do you practice yoga?
I think martial art, Hapkido, karate, judo, yoga, all same basically. Martial art, you stay like this, and you sweating. It's like an exercise, but you can more faster. That is hitting people.
Sir, actually, you know what? I was expecting, I can expect anything. I'm a poor guy. I mean, I was expecting...
The poor guy who, how much tax you have? 15 crores tax. Poor guy.
I mean, from my brain, I'm very poor.
Yes, okay.
I was expecting that you will come from some terrace, and I was expecting.
Not high enough.
No, 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 no.
That is Jackie Chan, man. You know, sir, we have very low budget. But for you, especially, we increased our budget. Sony Saab, we called our channel and asked them to give us a bicycle, sir.
It's a gift for me.
Yes, sir. No, sir, we are gonna use again.
You're gonna auction.
Yes, I can. कौन है जिनको जैकी सर की ये साइकिल खरीदनी बताओ अभी मैक्सिमम पैसे बताओ किसके पास है
और नए नोट चाहिए
आप भाई साहब का कोट अच्छा पैसे भी होंगे उनके पास तो ही इज रेडी टू बाय योर साइकिल यस
Yes,
हाउ
sir,
मच
I'll buy.
10 lakhs minimum.
सर 10 lakhs दूंगा सर.
10 लाख के ऊपर कोई
सर कौन बढ़ाएगा उससे ज्यादा मैं बढ़ाऊंगा.
पक्का
पक्का.
हमने सोचा नहीं था वैसे हम 10-20 हजार तक सोच रहे थे
ओनली जैकी सर बैठे इसीलिए सर क्योंकि इंडिया में सब भी उनको पसंद करते हैं.
आप काम क्या करते हैं सर
मैं बैंगलोर से हूँ सर.
बैंगलोर से तो हम वहां पे पैसे पेड़ पे लगते हैं मतलब काम
नहीं
क्या करते हैं
सर काम भी ऐसे करते हैं हम प्रॉपर्टीज का काम करते हैं.
प्रॉपर्टी का काम करते हैं ये साइकिल
सर।
आपकी हुई 10 लाख का चेक
100% सर आपको दे रहा हूँ.
सर
Wow!
कांग्रेचुलेशन
Then I paid 1 million for this cycle.
100% दे रहा हूँ सर. ये
So
मेरा
sweet
वादा
of
रहा
you.
सर. मेरा
आप so
वादा
sweet
रहा.
of you.
But साइकिल हमको देना
मैं
चाहिए.
वैसे ही अगर आप बहुत अच्छी बात है ये आपका प्यार है जैकी सर के लिए और हम ये 10 लाख रुपया जो है वो कैंसर पीड़ित बच्चों के लिए अभी से अब डोनेट करते हैं आपकी तरफ
Of
से ही है
course sir. Of
Wow!
course.
यू आर डूइंग
Of
मैन
course, sir.
Yes.
Of course.
You're gonna buy it?
Yeah.
Yes.
सर ही इज बाइंग दैट साइकिल
I don't know how much, but I'm gonna sign it. The money all go to the charity.
यस सर
Yes sir.
Yeah. ऊपर आ.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
जैकी सर कैन वी हैव योर ऑटोग्राफ ऑन दिस साइकिल ओके दिस साइकिल इज योर
Pen.
चेक हम आपसे बाद में ले लेंगे
आ जाओ ऊपर.
भरोसा ना तोड़ना हमारा सो स्वीट थैंक यू जैकी सर
Thank you.
क्या नाम बताया सर
शेख फाजिल.
शेख साहब बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया और आपके मेहनत की कमाई हुई जो आपकी दौलत है वो किसी अच्छे काम में लगेगी बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया शो में आने के लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद
Thank you.
थैंक यू शेख साहब थैंक यू जैकी सर थैंक यू सोनू बाजी
We can have coffee also while talking.
सर
Want some tea?
would you like to have some coffee green tea
I just see
China.
Chinese. No, I said, wow, Indian traditional teapot. Good, looks nice. China.
We wanted you to feel at home. That's why we kept some Chinese thing. Even he's made in China, couple.
रवीना मेरे
हाँ,
प्यार का ये
वैसे शायरी मैंने सोनू के लिए लिखी थी तुमने चांस ही नहीं दिया मौका नहीं दिया और ना उसने दिया उसने जैकेट उतारा ही नहीं
अरे please, please.
नहीं आई मीन शायरी 6 पैक के ऊपर है
पर रवीना आप जानती है मैंने आपसे शेयर भी किया हुआ है जब मैं कॉलेज में पढ़ाई करता था तो रवीना के पोस्टर्स मेरे रूम के अंदर लगे रहते थे और मैं पिक्चर इनको भेजी है वो I had have posters in my room when I was studying in the college.
Really?
Yeah.
या सो देन इसी बात पे जैकेट उतार दो पब्लिक को दिखा दो व्हाट यू मेड ऑफ वी वांट टू सी व्हाट यू मेड ऑफ
अच्छा है.
ओह
चलो भाई. Thank you भाई.
Sir, have you heard about Baba Ramdev? Sir, we have something for you to show. Come, sir. Sonu bhai,
Wow.
So, we called a yoga teacher. Of course, not Baba Ramdev. So, where is the yoga teacher? Yes. Sir, he's gonna teach you something. आपको आता है ना? वो जैकी चैन है हमारी बेइज्जती ना करवा देना, ठीक है? बाहर जाके चाइना में बताएंगे आप बताओ करके दिखाइए अच्छा आप तुम अंडरवेयर छुपा लो अंडरवेयर ना दिखाओ हाँ ही डोंट मिक्स दाल इन राइस He ate rice, dal, and then mix. And khichdi.
I just want to say that.
शुक्रिया सर, कैसे हैं आप? बढ़िया, काफी दिनों बाद मुलाकात हुई। शुक्रिया जी, प्लीज।
I want to ask you some question. I know you produce a movie.
जी.
You have so many shows,
जी,
right?
Right.
Did you ever thought you dream about it one day I come to your show?
I never thought, sir. इसका मतलब जैकी चैन भी मेरा शो देखते हैं। Superb, sir. I mean, I never thought, but no, when Sonu thought that one day I might work with Jackie Chan, then I thought, if he will do work, and I know him personally, I will tell him to bring you here, and he bring you here. Thank you so much for coming once again. Sir, as you said, you want to do romance.
Yes.
And we have beautiful Ravina Tandon here. I will play a very beautiful song for you. Ravina ma'am, आपको सिखाना, आप देखो हमारी बॉलीवुड की आज नाक आपके हाथ में है। रवीना टंडन जी के लिए जोरदार तालियां।
Actually, I love you.
You love me, sir. I love you too, sir. Thank you, Ravina ji. Thank you so much for this beautiful moment.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you, Jackie sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
I come sir. Jackie sir, you always do lot of dangerous action.
Yes.
कितनी हड्डियां? I mean, you must have broken all your bones.
Not all, but mostly.
Almost.
Yeah. From here, nose, cheek, teeth, shoulder, broken, and crack.
Oh my God.
Too many.
ये ही चीजें हैं जो, क्योंकि हम सब इंसान हैं और वो इंटरनेशनल स्टार हैं। जैकी चैन क्यों हैं? बिकॉज वो अपने काम को पैशन के साथ करते हैं, डेडिकेशन के साथ करते हैं। और सर, वी रिस्पेक्ट यू, वी लव यू अ लॉट।
I was in Singapore, transit to Australia.
Okay.
Then I got a phone call in America after body check, because every movie after body check.
Right.
So they'll get the blood, everything.
Oh, God.
Then the doctor come, Jackie, what are you eating? I said, what do you mean? Your blood type and your heart, everything perfect. What is your most eat every day? I said, red bean soup. Then he said, oh, no wonder. Continue to eat it. Your body is so good. Even when I was 32 in Yugoslavia, when I get a skull injured, I opened the skull, like a 4 or 5 hour operation. Then the doctor come out to tell my friends, don't worry, your friend's Superman.
Wow.
You are Superman, sir. Sir, that soup is available in India?
Yeah, I think.
Rajma ka soup.
अच्छा, राजमा?
Yeah.
Yes.
Sir, actually, me and Sonu are from Punjab state. We eat lot of rajma chawal, but you're talking
bean.
about red beans. But
Yes.
rajma makes
Good.
you strong, and हमें तो गैस हो जाती. I mean,
Yes, I know, but it's good. It's good.
okay, तो अच्छी चीजें हैं, सीख लेनी चाहिए. Sir, as a common man, I just want to, I'm just curious to know that you are Jackie Chan. I mean, you need mixer, grinder, juicer, or you just keep the carrot in your hand and kachumar and juice? I mean, you are so strong.
Yes. That's in the movie.
I know it was a
I
stupid
just a
question.
normal human, but I just have a guts to do a lot of the things that normal people, they won't do it.
Sir, I mean, I just want to ask, I mean, your fans want to know how many total injuries you have. Do you remember?
I cannot remember. 3 times nose,
Oh my God.
shoulder. It's too many. Too many.
And do you remember how many, good thing you have done on screen? I mean, kisses.
I want to do a kiss scene.
You want to do?
Yeah, it's more easier. But put in this way, of course, romantic drama is more easy. But action sequence makes me proud. Why? Because all those years when the audience look at the screen like this, go out the theater, wow, look at the Jackie, do the kick, the punch, the stunt, so good. I believe it, right? But if if I'm do a drama, kissing scene, I don't believe the audience come out the theater. Ah, look at the kissing, so good.
Yeah.